Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2016 through 2021 and possibly beyond Mazda CX-3 with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack set of 4, and then you have the WingBar Evo load bars set of 2, available in silver or black, and then you have the vehicle specific fitting kit. So I'll go over some of the key features of this system, starting with the fitting kit. So here you have a sample of a rubberized metal door frame bracket. And then here is the molded rubber base pad. There will be numbers that are assigned to the base pad as well as numbers assigned to the door frame bracket that correspond to numbers shown on the instruction sheet that comes with the fitting kit for the vehicle. So let me go ahead and demonstrate how these parts fit to the foot pack. So starting with the cover, I'll just pop the cover off. And here you'll notice we've already added a sticker indicating that this foot will be designated for the front left position on the vehicle. So to begin the installation, we'll just turn it upside down and identify this pivoting base and match up the shape with the rubber base here and press around the perimeter, and that'll hold that into place for you. Then we have the door frame bracket that just clicks into place. Now you'll notice here we have these silver tabs. When you press those silver tabs, the top assembly will tighten and loosen, and that's what holds the load bar in place while you're assembling the rack system. So let's go ahead and grab the load bar. Here we have a section of load bar that we've cut down so that you can see the cross section of the load bar. This is a very sophisticated box beam construction. It's extruded aluminum, and there's a dedicated track along the top. So that track in use is accessed by flipping the end cap out of the way, and then you can slide in the approved hardware for certain carriers, such as bicycle carriers or ski carriers that have hardware that allows for attachment into this track. So when you attach into that track, you've got the full length of the bar to connect and gives you a very clean, integrated attachment method. Okay, so on the underside of the bar here, you also have this track that accommodates the foot. I'll go ahead and press in this tab to remove the end cap temporarily. And then you'll see here we have a measuring device, and this measuring device has numbers, scale numbers, and those scale numbers correspond to scale numbers that are provided with the instruction sheet, and that'll ensure that you've positioned the foot properly on the bar. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have our foot again, and I'll just press in on that silver tab and then slide the foot onto the bar, and then I'll bring down the foot to that point to that tab on that measuring device. Okay, next you can see we have this open area left. What we want to do is fill that in with this rubber that we cut down. It's provided in longer lengths so that you can customize the length to fit into that gap, thereby maintaining your good aerodynamic performance. Okay, then we can go ahead and press our end cap back into place. Okay, and then you would, at that point, take it to the vehicle and begin tightening. Here you have a tool that's provided, and that tool engages with the fastener, and when you tighten it, once it's fully tightened, the handle clicks, indicating that it's been fully tightened, thereby giving you a good indication that you've installed it properly. Okay, and then we have the cover. We'll just go ahead and put that cover back on and snap it in place. You do have a plug here, and that plug you just give it a quarter turn, and that'll hold this cover into place. Now you do have an option for security to upgrade from this plug. You remove that plug and replace the plug with a metal lock cylinder. These metal lock cylinders are available in packs, so a 4-pack will be enough to lock up your base roof rack system, locking all 4 of your covers. But you also have the option to get larger packs, a 6-pack, an 8-pack, and beyond, in order for you to use additional lock cylinders to lock up your other carriers, thereby making it possible to where all of your Thule one-key accessories are locked with just one key. Okay, so those are all the important features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for this pre-configured rack system for the CX-3, a link for all the different buying options, as well as an additional video where we've taken this rack system and installed it onto a vehicle start to finish, so you can see exactly how it's done, actually mounting it to the vehicle and tensioning it properly and so on. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.